Databox Enterprise Dashboard Pricing explained what you get for your money. Databox Enterprise isn't just a simple dashboard, it's a platform designed for organizations that need real-time visibility across multiple data sources. Most people assume Databox is just for reporting, but enterprise plans unlock automation, integrations, and team collaboration features. Pricing is custom, depending on the number of users, data connections, and advanced features. Enterprise plans generally start in the high hundreds or low thousands per month, reflecting the scale and flexibility offered. The surprising truth is that Databox Enterprise can centralize TPIs for marketing, sales, finance, and customer support in a single dashboard. For example, a multi-location business can track revenue, lead generation, and operational efficiency in real time. Enterprise plans include features like advanced metrics calculations, white label dashboards, priority support, and role-based access control. Security is a priority with encryption and compliance measures. In conclusion, Databox Enterprise pricing reflects a solution for organizations that need centralized, real-time, and actionable data insights. If your goal is to improve performance tracking and empower teams with accurate analytics, Databox Enterprise is more than a dashboard, it's a decision-making hub.